Alright guys, the second question says how many grams of sodium are in how many grams of sodium are in 0.25 moles of sodium. So let's go into the calculation. So the solution, first thing we need to find the molar mass of sodium. So the molar mass of sodium is approximately 23 grams per mole. Once you check your periodic table, you find out that the molar mass of sodium is 23. So let's go into the calculation. So the moles of sodium in the equation, is 0.25 moles. So the molar mass is 23 gram per moles. So the molar mass is 23 gram per moles. So now to calculate for the mass of sodium, so it will be equals to, first let me give you the formula. So the formula is equals to numbers of moles times the molar mass. So the formula is numbers of moles times the molar mass. So let's just plug in the value 0.25 times 23. So when you use your calculator to plus 0.25 times 23, this is what you get, 5.75. So the answer is equals to 5.75 gram. So that is the answer. They said how many grams of sodium are in 0.25 moles of sodium. So the answer is 5.75 gram. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Anywhere that you are watching the video, whether on Facebook, follow this account. On TikTok, follow this account. Always don't miss out any step on this calculation, because I'm going to drop step by step. So make sure that you click on the notification button so that whenever I'm going to drop the next video, you will not miss anything. Thank you very much. Please like, share and comment wherever that you find it difficult to understand. Comment on the comment section. I will be there to assist you. Thank you so much for watching this video.